Meantime, rising tariffs on steel and aluminum are hitting a Calgary-based van conversion company hard. But instead of slamming on the brakes, they're shifting gears. Mark Villani has more on how Yama Vans is adjusting to the uncertainty and the continued impact on local manufacturers.
At Yama Vans, every bolt and board tells a story of innovation as it retrofits custom-made off-the-grid camper-style vehicles. But that now comes with a higher price.
We're looking at a pretty big increase per van is anywhere between $5,000 to $12,000 increased cost.
With 40% of the Calgary company's materials sourced from the U.S., the cost of those products are now increasing amidst the doubling of tariffs on Canadian steel and aluminum. The 50% hike is also creating concern for Yama's customers, many of which are from south of the border.
Trying to find Canadian alternatives that can kind of mitigate those risks. People want that certainty, so we decided to guarantee our pricing all year. So we said, you know what, let us absorb that burden.
It's a move that's actually working.
We've sold a few units even before we launch.
Before they launched their brand new vehicle this week called the Gear Bus, packed with features like modular seating and a pop-up tent, a fold-out Murphy bed, and plenty of extra storage space.
The decision to build this model really stemmed from the demand in the market and people coming to us and trying to solve a problem. People are really looking to support Canadian business.
But other Canadian businesses are still getting hit hard. Calgary's all-metal manufacturing worries it may lose one of its largest American clients because of how much they now have to pay.
So our delivery schedule for July, they're going to take 30 units from us. The units are $20,000 a piece. That's an additional $300,000 in 1 month to the customer.
And losing customers isn't an option. It could force the company to shift its business model to other markets, including Europe, another double-edged sword.
Shipping to Europe and back and forth, there's huge costs in that.
Yet, even with all of the uncertainty, Calgary businesses are trying to stay optimistic, confident they can still open the door to new customers.
That really shop local thing has been a big push for a long time, and especially important right now.
Mark Villani, CTV News, Calgary.
And Yama Vans is unveiling its new Gear Bus this weekend with a launch party on Saturday afternoon. For more details, you can visit our CTV Calgary website.